Well, when you see this, it's probably not the morning. Hey guys, Queenie here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see from the title, is going to be a chit chat get ready with me, just a little update. Probably the fastest chit chat get ready with me you will ever watch. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Woo, child, it's hot. Girl, you know when you're getting ready in the morning and you're just dancing all around the house? Yeah. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you turn on the notification bell as well. So when I post videos, YouTube doesn't like throw it somewhere and nobody sees it. You actually get a notification that I've posted and then you can watch it and you won't miss anything. So, you know, stuff like that. Okay, so what is up with me? As you can see from my recent videos, I have moved again. My last chit chat get ready with me, I was like, oh, I just moved. Everything is great. I'm in summer school, yada, yada, yada. I moved again. From July to September, I've moved twice. Yeah. So yeah, I'm in a new place. Basically what happened with the other place is that we moved in. The owners decided that they were gonna sell the house to people who did not want tenants, which they cannot do, just plain simply, they cannot do. We signed a 1-year lease. They tried to finesse and kick us out without us knowing what's going on. Fortunately, Taylor and I have some knowledge and we were like, actually, that's not gonna work that way. If we came up with a family situation, we're like, oh, we need to break our lease, can we just dip out of this place? They would be like, hell no. Do you know what I mean? So the thing is, I get it, they own the house, but we signed a lease. Legally, we are allowed to stay in that place for a year. And I promise you, if it was roles were reversed and we said we need to move out ASAP because we can't afford it anymore, they would literally laugh in our face and say no. We don't have time for that. So basically the agreement was that we find a place and they would give us X amount of dollars to cover certain things and we would take that and we would leave. So without that, we were not moving because it was like, girl, run me my money, because moving is not cheap. And I think the thing is with a lot of people, if you have not rented or moved around, especially in Toronto or a big city, it's not easy. So basically, yeah, we got kicked out of that place and it was the most stressful time of my life. I was doing a billion things in school, preparing for exams, all that stuff. You guys know I'm graduating, so it was the most stressful time of my life. And imagine these people just knocking on our doors every day. I appreciate now that they helped us move and everything, but the whole situation was not okay. So I hope that does not happen to them again, or they do not make that mistake again, because it was not okay. So I still feel like if I were to see them in public, I would say hi, how you doing, whatever. There's no beef, but if I'm being real, it was not cool at all. And that's me being polite. So anyway, so we're out of that place. We're in a nicer, cuter place. What else is going on? Yeah, my graduation is in like 2 weeks. Can you guys believe it? All the times I've come on here and been like, I'm so stressed, school's killing me. I'm finally done, thank God. So 2 weeks, Lord willing, I will be walking across that stage. And I'm shocked, I'm shocked. I gave myself a goal of finishing this undergrad in 2.5 years and I did it. I had some transfer credits and I just overloaded my schedule, basically. I was taking very, very, very heavy course loads and I just didn't have any friends and I just did my work. It was as simple as that. When you don't have distractions, school's a lot easier. It was already difficult not having distractions. I can't imagine people who are like partying, going out, hanging out with friends, doing stuff. Like I could not. So I was able to reach my goal. So I am now 23 and I have an associate's degree in acting and a bachelor's degree in English, which is focused on like creative writing and film. So I'm very happy with what I've done so far. Hopefully in the future I will go back maybe for a master's in one of those two things, either in acting or in creative writing. If you guys don't know, I would like in the future my ultimate goal is to have my own production company, but right now my focus is to be a working actress and to create my own stuff and to just be, I don't know, represent Black Canadian female film, basically. So YouTube is a hobby for me and I love it so much, and it gives me the flexibility to do what I want to do, so that's always great. But other than that, life after university has been okay. I've just been relaxing, focusing on YouTube, figuring out how to make more money in my life, saving, like just, you know, taking the next life steps, if you know what I mean. So, yeah. When it comes to acting in Toronto or in anywhere, it's been a little bit stressful, I find, because I moved here 2 years ago and I haven't really been able to get into the business because I was so busy with school. But it's been so refreshing to be able to like spend time doing that now. And yeah, it's been really, really fun. I can't wait to start meeting more people and making more friends. If you live in Toronto and you're into like film or acting or any of that kind of stuff, hit me up on Instagram, message me, maybe we can go like do something, I don't know. I don't have I don't know that many people here, like honestly. But yeah, so I'm just trying to take my steps in my acting career basically. And honestly, I am going to just, eventually the end goal is to be able to move back to LA at some point. Not like forever, permanently kind of thing, but I want to be able to work in the places that make sense for me and build my career. So I don't necessarily like LA for the Hollywoodness of it, because I've definitely been there, done that, and it's not that exciting, but the opportunities inspire me and it keeps me going. So, and hot weather. I need hot weather. Oh Lord, guys, I didn't even do my eyebrows. So that meaning I'm not moving to LA ASAP. I just mean in the next like 5 years, hopefully I'll be living there. I need to establish myself here too, and I'm honestly thinking of going to Ghana for a bit to do some acting stuff. Like I want to go to movies and commercials. Oh my gosh, if you don't know about Ghanaian commercials, they are too funny. If I can, I will insert one in here just to show you guys. They are the best. Like I aspire to be in a Ghanaian commercial because they're too funny. That's the goal for now. So getting into the Toronto scene, eventually going back to LA in the next few years, but for now Toronto, and like going to Ghana to do some stuff. I feel like that'd be so fun. Build my resume, help me get my green card. If any American men out there want to marry me, let me know. I'm just kidding. I just want to do it the right way. So just building up my name, letting people know that I'm actually worth the time, I guess. So that's that. I am so blessed and grateful, and I'm just trying to stay positive and happy about every situation. Obviously life is not perfect. Everybody has their cross to bear, and I just try to remember like nobody's perfect. No matter what you think, no matter what you see on social media is just a highlight reel. And I try to remember that, because sometimes I find myself comparing myself to every single person I see. And I'm like, well, they had this, or they had this. No, girl, like I'm happy, I'm grateful, and that's that. So besides all that stuff, I'm just now working on taking care of myself physically and mentally, and I'm hoping to get started in some kickboxing classes. Girl, like I am just changing my life. I am just upgrading and just taking care of myself and trying to be the best person I can be, trying to be the best person I can be in my career, in my spiritual walk, in my relationship. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a great fall. If you're back in school, good luck with everything. Keep going, follow your dreams, work hard, you know, all that fun stuff. This weekend, I will be in the States. If you live in Cincinnati, Ohio, I will see you there. I probably won't see you, but I'm going for my cousin's wedding. I haven't been to Ohio in so long. I know it's not like a place to be like, oh, I'm going to Ohio, turn up. But I'm just so excited to see my family. I have a huge family, and we're all coming together for this wedding, and it's been, oh, I can't wait. I've been waiting for this wedding, so I'm very excited. I'm a bridesmaid. Sorry guys. I'm a bridesmaid, and yeah, it should be fun. Everything that I'm using will be in the description box down below. So yeah, all I'm doing today is going out and running errands. I'm going to pick up some American dollars and cleaning out my bank with that, because the Canadian dollar is not good right now. I like to keep it simple nowadays. I don't really do much. I just do my face makeup, highlight a little bit, put some blush, and call it a day. Like, I don't even do anything on my eyes. I don't put mascara or eyeliner because by the end of the day, it's just like running and messy. So I'm just gonna spray my face with the MAC Fix Plus, the coconut one. Just hydrates my face nicely. Usually I would use the Scandinavia setting spray, but my skin is so dry right now after having a bad reaction that I can't use that just because it really seals my makeup there and makes it really tight. So let me just use this. It's a bit more hydrating. Brings me back to life. Okay, so as for this hair, I'm just gonna take it out. I'm just reconnecting my wig with some Got To Be Free spray. Just like to fan it a little bit. Usually I would use a blow dryer, but it's all the way in the bathroom, so this will do. But yeah, so that is basically it for my little life update. Please comment down below if you live in Toronto and you know like where I should go to kind of get into like more of a creative scene. If you yourself are into that, honestly, seriously, just message me. Other than that, just I'm curious to know what you guys do. Like, what do you do for a living? Are you a creative person? Are you more businessy? Are you know, comment down below. Let me know what your goals have been. What you guys are working on. What's up with you guys? What's up with you guys? Comment down below, please. Like, I need to, I like connecting with you guys more and kind of having that relationship. So I need some lip gloss. And yeah, for my lips, I'm putting on these two lip glosses. These, little shameless shout out. These are two lip glosses from a company called PABA Cosmetics, which is a Ghanaian owned makeup line. So you should check it out. I use this every day. So that is basically it for this video. I hope it wasn't too long, strenuous, and crazy and just all over the place. I just wanted to come on here and sit down with you guys and talk for a little bit and connect with you guys. So please let me know what you guys have been up to, what your goals are, what kind of stuff that you do outside of either creating YouTube or watching YouTube or whatever. Let me know what's up with you guys. Make sure you thumbs up this video, subscribe. It is free. Today only, it is free, just for you, girl, just for you, or boy. Turn on the notification button, like I said, so you don't miss any videos from me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.